Have you ever wondered what an immediate denture is? It's a common question that gets asked in the world of dental health. Let's break it down. Picture this. You're at the dentist, and you've just been told you need a tooth extraction. Your heart sinks at the thought of spending weeks, even months, without a tooth. Enter the solution: immediate dentures. Immediate dentures are essentially a temporary placeholder, designed to fill the gap left by a tooth extraction. Here's how it works. Your dentist takes an impression of your mouth before the extraction. This mold is used to create a custom denture that's ready to be placed immediately after the tooth is removed. Why is this important? Well, it ensures you never have to go a day without a full smile. Immediate dentures maintain your appearance and help you avoid the inconvenience and embarrassment of missing teeth. In essence, you walk in with a tooth and you walk out with a smile. Wow, that sounds amazing! No gap, no hiding my smile. But are there any downsides? Indeed, immediate dentures come with a solid set of benefits. The most notable one is maintaining the appearance of a full set of teeth, so you never have to hide your smile. This solution also prevents the discomfort of living toothless while waiting for the gums to heal. However, it's essential to consider the potential downsides. As your gums heal and shrink post-extraction, the immediate denture might not fit as snugly. You might experience some looseness, requiring a few adjustments. This is completely normal and part of the healing process. Furthermore, immediate dentures are not a long-term solution. They're a temporary measure to keep you smiling until your gums are healed and ready for the permanent denture. In other words, it's not a permanent solution, but it serves as a placeholder until your permanent denture is ready in a few months. So, it's like a temporary solution, but it looks real, right? Absolutely. You see, the beauty of immediate dentures lies in their ability to blend seamlessly with your natural teeth. These dentures are crafted with meticulous attention to detail, replicating the color, size, and shape of your natural teeth. They're made from high-quality materials that mimic the transparent, slightly reflective surface of real teeth. This ensures they don't stand out as artificial in your mouth. Now, you might be wondering about the comfort aspect. Immediate dentures are designed to fit snugly in your mouth, providing a comfortable and secure feel. But remember, as your gums heal and shrink post-extraction, adjustments may be needed to maintain a proper fit. In essence, immediate dentures not only restore your smile instantly, but also maintain the natural look of your teeth. And the best part? No one will know the difference unless you tell them. This is something to think about. It sounds appealing to avoid being toothless, but the loose fit later on is a concern. And that's a completely valid point. Immediate dentures, while offering the advantage of maintaining your smile immediately post-extraction, may require adjustments as your gums heal and shrink. It's not an entirely seamless solution, but it does serve as a handy placeholder until your permanent denture is ready. Think about what matters most to you. Is it the immediacy of having a replacement tooth, or is it the potential need for adjustments down the line? There's no right or wrong answer, and it's crucial to weigh up the pros and cons that are most relevant to you. Remember, it's your smile, your choice. We're here to provide you with all the information, answer any questions, and guide you through this journey. But ultimately, the decision is yours. We're here to help you make the best choice for your dental health and smile.